Hi guys, welcome back to Baking with Sue. But before we start, make sure you subscribe if you are new to my channel, share and like, and also remember to hit the notification button so that you'll be able to know each time we do a new video, it will notify you. Yeah, so today we are going to do a black forest cake. This is a wow cake. So with me today, as always, we have to measure our ingredients and make them and put them together before you start. So here with me, I've got my 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Right, I've got 2 cups of white sugar. Then I've got 3/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder. Then I've got 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. Then I've got 3/4 teaspoon baking soda. Then I've got 3/4 teaspoon of salt. And I've got my 3 eggs here that were at room temperature. And I've got a cup of milk. And I've got my 2 teaspoons of vanilla. So I've already greased my tray. This baking tin is my 9-inch, right? So we'll start by beating the egg, right? The oil and the vanilla. So now I have beaten the egg, the oil and the vanilla, so I put it aside. And then I take my flour, then I add my 2 cups of sugar, my cocoa, baking powder, baking soda, and my salt. So now I have to mix. So now slowly I'm going to add the egg and oil mixture to the dry ingredients. Right, then I add my milk. Right, I add the other part of milk. Right, so I've got a nice consistent mixture. I also have to take my spatula to scrape everything that is around the bowl so that everything has got a consistent mixture. And now we have to pour the batter into the baking tin. As you can see, it's nice and smooth. And I have to make sure that I level and I remove the air bubbles, so I have to shake. It helps to spread out the air bubbles that had formed. I think I've done justice to it. So I have to place it in my preheated oven, 180 degrees. Then we'll leave it in there for 40 to 45 minutes, but we'll continuously check in case the oven will be heating too much, will be having too much heat. So now let's place it in the oven and prepare for the icing. Like I said, today we are going to make a black forest cake, so we are going to make the icing whilst we wait for our cake to bake. So here is our whipped cream. I whipped it until the peak. You see, it can now stand on its own, right, like that. And then I have my cherries ready there. Here with me, I have cut my cake in half, right, because I would want to make layers. So this is my stand, and I place it on there. Then put some cream on there, just like that. And I have to spread it nicely. I also have to add a little bit of cherries, especially the syrup, like that, just a little bit, just to give it flavor. Right, so now I take the other piece and place it on there, like that. So now I go ahead and spread the cream over my cake. This is fresh cream, so you have to be patient with it. It's not like butter icing or cream cheese. Right, so I think I've given it some justice right round, just like that. Right, so I go on to work on my top again. So I think I've given it justice on that part. Now I spread my cherries. Put my cherries in the center, just like that. And then I take my piping bag, right, with this nozzle. Alright, so I've got to fill in cream into the piping bag, like that. Push it down like that. Right, just like that. And now I spread evenly, right, for the gaps, to close the gaps. Now I go ahead and decorate the bottom. So yeah, there you go. You have your Black Forest cake, and now you can enjoy it. Yeah, so here we go. We finished putting the border, but I just want to add a little bit. This is gel, edible gel for decorating. I just want to put some highlights. So right, so I think I'm done. You can now have a slice and a cup of tea ready to enjoy your cake. So now go ahead and cut your cake, right? This is a piece so that I can show you how it looks from the inside. Now you can enjoy it. There. So please make sure you like, share to your friends, and subscribe. Just remember to press that button which says subscribe so that you won't miss the next video. It's getting interesting. Bye.